Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the search feature within LinkedIn. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the web browser and then in the address bar type in linkedin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official LinkedIn website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials or your Google account to log in. Once you have been logged in and taken into the homepage, you will see the search box at the top section. If you are looking for a job, you can use the hashtag hiring and you will find various job offers within your interested locations that you can browse through and then apply for. You can also search for posts, products, companies, as well as individuals that can be hired. You can follow companies that you are interested in by clicking on the follow button. You can add filters to your search by clicking on the filter option, and now you can filter through locations, industry, as well as company size. You can also filter through people, job, posts, products, and various other categories that you can search within, and use various metrics to refine your search. By using the filter feature, you will be able to narrow down your search to look exactly the kind of company or individual that you're looking for. And there you have it. That is how you can use the search feature to reach your target company or professional on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.